Alright, so today's video is probably gonna be the most nastiest, weirdest videos I've ever recorded, but I'm hoping that it helps someone out there because I needed help when it came to this. So, if you wanna know how I got my mattress from looking like this to this, then keep on watching. Alright, so let's do a little backstory so you guys know what happened to my mattress and the things that I used that didn't work, so you don't waste your time. So first thing is that I purchased this mattress around 4 years ago. I didn't know about mattress covers or mattress protecting covers, however you want to call that stuff. I didn't know about that, and I recently found out about those things like not even a year ago. Again, I grew up in a household where you either keep the plastic that these things come with like on the mattress or on the couch, or you don't. My whole life, like, I slept on a mattress that had plastic. I don't know if any other Portuguese people do this, but like my vovó would have plastic on her dining room chairs, her couch, her mattress, like everywhere. It's just insane. And when I got older, I was like, there's no way in hell that I am going to keep the damn plastic on this mattress because it was uncomfortable and it was loud. So of course I got older and I was like, you know what? I'm not keeping the plastic on. And I purchased this mattress when I was 27. So it was the first time I ever had a giant mattress. I grew up sleeping in a twin size bed all the way up till I was 27 years old. Again, I wasn't brought up with money. You know, you had to deal with what you got for free and it was all hand-me-down stuff. So free twin size bed for me when I was, you know, that age was fine. I never was the one to be picky. So when I purchased this queen size mattress, I was like,
woo, no plastic. I'm gonna sleep so good.
And then years and years passed on and the sweat stains came, the tea stains, because I like to drink tea in my bed at night. You know, the mattress just looks like this now. So in the back of my head, I was like, oh my God, this is what I get for not keeping the plastic on. But then I realized, like, then they have like mattress covers and stuff. I also forgot to say that I tried the baking soda method, peroxide, vinegar. I've tried everything when it came to cleaning the mattress. So it's kind of like giving up at this point. So fast forward to about a couple weeks ago, I was on TikTok. Yes, I have a TikTok now. I don't think I've ever told you guys. I've told everyone on Instagram. I'll have it linked down below. My TikTok's about movies and show recommendations if you want to follow me on there. But anyways, I was on TikTok looking up like cleaning things. I love watching those kind of videos. And I seen a girl cleaning her mattress with this machine and I'm like, I wonder what that machine is. Then I seen a ton of other people doing the same thing, cleaning their mattresses that look like mine. And I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna try it out. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna return it. So I went onto Amazon and I purchased this machine. It's a Bissell, a little green. It was around $100. And when it came in the mail, I looked up a tutorial on how to set it up. It came with a solution that you're supposed to put in the tank. So it's like half solution, half water, and that's what I did. I followed the directions to a T. Now, when you start the machine, you're supposed to soak the entire bed. Also, vacuum your mattress before doing this. I vacuum my mattress all the time. I've been doing that for years. So that was all set on my end. Make sure you soak the mattress with the little spray gun it comes with, and then let it be for a good 15 to 20 minutes. And that's what I did. I went to go do dishes, you know, just let it sit in there, let that stain solution work its way through the mattress. Then when I came back to suck up all that nastiness, oh my God, you guys. I was shocked to see, one, it's working. Two, all the stuff that's coming out. I'm trying to like not swear, but when I was doing this, I was swearing the whole time because I was like, holy, like there's no way we were sleeping on this bed with that amount of dirt and sweat and tea stains and all that stuff that was in that mattress. I just couldn't believe it, you know? I know it's kind of hard to see on these clips. I tried my best to record as much as I could, but my battery kept dying because this took me not 1 hour, not 2 hours, but 4 hours. 4 hours to clean this mattress because it was that bad. So that was me filling the tank, emptying it, refilling, emptying it. Like it was a process. I went through that whole solution bottle that they send you, and then you let the mattress dry. Good thing I did this early in the morning because if I didn't, the mattress wouldn't have been dried by nighttime. So I'm here to say that it worked so damn well that I'm like obsessed with this machine. Like I'm obsessed with this machine to the point where I'm calling my sisters and I'm like,
hey, Do you want me to come over to do like to clean your mattress? Like I'll do it for free.
Because I just get a kick out of this, and I want my family members to know that this works. And I'm not being paid by this company. I didn't go through them. I went through Amazon to purchase it. Their machine works amazing. Just like I have their steamer mop. I've had that for almost a year now, and I love it. So I was just impressed. And the room smells amazing, by the way. When you use that solution, it's like non-toxic. It's safe for pets. And that's also why I really love Bissell's products, because most of their products are safe for pets, and we do plan on getting a kitty. So if an accident happens, or if someone spills wine or whatever on our wall-to-wall carpets, I can whip out that little green and just suck it up. Here's some before and after clips of what it looks like and how white everything is now, and I'm amazed. I feel like I purchased a new mattress basically. It smells great, it looks great, it feels fluffier. I know that's probably just in my head, 'cause when I clean my car, I don't know about you guys, but I feel like it runs better. Like the transmission could be slipping, the motor could be going, but the minute you clean it, it's like, damn, this is not dying, this car's running like a champ. And then the minute it's dirty, it's like, oh,
I gotta clean this car. It's running like crap.
So I don't know if that's just in my family. Let me know down below. Do you feel like when you clean your car or you clean like certain things, they feel better or run better? Please help me not feel alone in that aspect. But anyways, that is like my little mattress spiel. I have tried so many solutions with the baking soda, the vinegar, all of that stuff did not work for my mattress. Don't believe what Pinterest tells you. If your mattress was as bad as mine, it's just not gonna work out, okay? I blew out 2 vacuums trying to do the whole baking soda method, and it left me feeling like, all right, I just need a new mattress. I'm over this. But I am really happy that I did not purchase a new mattress, because these bad boys are supposed to last you a good, 5 to 10 years. I think 10 years is the max. They can get really pricey, so I'm happy that I got this one for another couple more years to come. So I really hope this video helped you out. I know I was filled with excitement and really happy to just show you guys how this product works. I wish I had better videos of it, but again, it took me a long time, and my camera batteries don't last that long when it came to waiting for this bed to be completely clean. You can also use this little green machine in your car. I know I haven't showed my new car yet. Please be patient. Of course, I do have leather seats, but there is floor carpets. So if you have floor carpets or if you have regular cloth seats, this is the machine for you, especially if you have kids and they eat in your car, or if you have a dog, you can just clean up that mess like it never happened. So again, I will leave the one that I purchased down below for you guys. I already bought a bigger bottle of the solution. I'll also leave that down below, because that little bottle that it comes with, if your mattress was as bad as mine, you're gonna go through it like that. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed seeing how dirty my mattress was, and I hope this video helped you out. And also let me know down below if you are going to try out this product, or if you already have it. Why didn't you tell me about it? I'm kidding. But anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next video.